In 1787, most American states accepted a good deal of religious diversity. But there were still questions. Should office holding be restricted to Protestants? Should tax dollars support religious ministries? If so, should citizens be entitled to opt out? To all these questions, the states gave widely different answers. Notably, not a single one of the 85 Federalist essays discusses religious liberty as a distinct subject. Why do the authors have so little to say on this topic? The Constitution does make one statement about religious liberty. Article 6, Section 3 states that no religious test shall ever be required as a qualification to any office or public trust under the United States. This article is barely referenced in the Federalist Papers. Most objections to this provision were not raised until July 1788, and the last of the Federalist Papers was published in May 1788. Even then, there was little significant opposition to the lack of a religious test. The most important goal of the Constitution is to restrain and moderate the great power of the majority without running roughshod over the minority. Madison argues that the majority rule at the national level means there will be many factions, groups of people pressing their views in the public sphere. Everyone will win some fights and lose others. He includes different religious viewpoints in this analysis and considers zeal for different opinions concerning religion as a strong basis for factions. But the urge to impose one's own view on everyone else will be replaced by moderation and toleration because so many different views exist. Madison believed that the good sense and sound morality of most people, grounded in their religious upbringing, will be the bedrock upon which our constitutional order and our liberties rest. The authors of the Federalist Papers assumed that for all their religious diversity, the American shared a culture with a common moral foundation, legal principles, and political traditions. Among these essential principles of the American psyche is the protection of religious freedom for all.